Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. So today we are going to proceed with our 7th array program, that is we'll check how to reverse an array. Okay, so without any further delay, let us directly start with our coding. Over here you can see that there is an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements. Okay, so what are we going to do? 5 will be in the first position, 4 will be in the second position, 3 will be in the same position, 2 will be in the fourth position, 1 will be in the fifth position. Okay, we are going to sort the array like this one. Okay, now over here, now we will check the algorithm. Okay, so what does the algorithm say? First we are going to swap 1 and 5. We are going to swap it, change their positions. Okay, next we are going to swap 2 and 4. Alright, and 3 being the middle term, it is going to stay in the it is going to stay in that position itself, because in this array there are odd number of elements, that is 5 elements. So 3 is the middle term, 3 will remain the same. Now there is another example that we have taken, that is array 1, and over here we have 6 elements, so even number of elements. Alright, so according to our algorithm we are going to swap the numbers. So first we are going to swap 1 and 6 with each other, then 2 and 5, after that 3 and 4. So there is no middle term in this one, so all of them will be swapped with each other. Okay, now we are going to write a logic that will work for both array and array 1. Okay, that means it will work for both even number of elements and odd number of elements. So there will be one common logic that we are going to write for all the array. So now we are going to remove array 1. Now we are going to print our original array. Okay, now you can see that print array is red. That means there is an error. Why there is an error? Because we haven't yet written this method. Once we are going to write this method, the error will be removed. Okay, now we are going to reverse the array, and we are going to use the reverse array method for that. You can see that reverse array is also red because we haven't yet written the method. Once we are going to write it, error will be removed. Okay, now we are going to print our reversed array, for which we have to again use the print array method. Now print array method is again red because we haven't yet written it. Okay, now we are going to write our methods. Now we are going to place our cursor in print array, and then we are going to press Alt Enter on our keyboard. We are going to click on create method print array in reverse array class. Click. You can see our method has been created for us. Let us write our logic right now. So over here in this print array method, we have written a for loop to iterate through the array elements and print them. Okay, and we are going to print them in the same line. Okay, and after this we have added an extra new line at the end. Okay, now you can see in the main method the print array error has been removed, and in both the cases. Okay, now we are going to write our reverse array method. Alt Enter and click on create method reverse array in reverse array class. Click. Yes. Now let's write the logic. So now we are going to declare the start and end positions of our array. Okay. So start is obviously 0. Okay, because the starting index is always 0, and end we are going to do array.length -1. Okay, now we will write a while loop. So over here we are going to swap the values in the start and end positions. Okay, and for that we have declared a third variable, that is temporary. Okay, and we all know the swapping logic, so no need to explain it. Now we are going to increment start because we are going to move forward from the beginning, and we are going to decrement end because we are going to move backwards from the end of the array, right? And this process will continue if start is less than end. Okay, now we come out of our reverse array method, and you can see in the main method reverse array method is not anymore read, error is removed. Let us run the code now. You can see original array is printed, after that reversed array is printed. Okay, now we are going to add one more number to array, that is 6. Okay, we are going to check our previous conditions and run our code again. So original array is printed with 6, reversed array is printed with 6. So the swapping is correct, our method is correct, everything is correct. This is how we finish our code and with this tutorial. Please practice this program at home and try your own examples, involve your own imagination, innovation, and in the next video we are going to come with another interesting program. So stay tuned to IntelliSkills. Till this is Shinjini signing off. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep exploring. Bye.